One of the most common questions we get asked is, what is that popping sound that happens with the adjustment? It's actually gases that are inside your joints. Just like a champagne cork makes a noise when the cork pops out, in a joint it's completely filled with fluid. So when the adjustment happens, those gases escape and it makes that popping sound. We do adjust that way. A lot of people love that noise, but we also use activators and tables that drop if you don't like that kind of an adjustment.